So I've got a bit of destructive testing and verification I need to do. I actually didn't want to get too much into the pull testing with my channel, but I do have an interest in changing the material performance of 3D prints. I have some projects in the works where I need to substantially increase the bearing / shear strength of 3D prints across the layers. And as far as I can tell, nobody else has attempted post-tensioning 3D prints, so I need the data for my own use. So I've got these testing blocks I've printed vertically. They're just 50mm wide by 15mm thick and 130mm long. There's also two 5mm holes running through for post-tensioning with all thread. So the first test I will be doing, which will be test number 1 here, is I'll be doing a direct tension full test with no post tensioning, and then I'll be putting that up against test number 2, which will be again another direct tension full test, but I'll post tension the 3D print with some all thread. And then test number 3, again it'll be no post tensioning, and it'll be a shear / bearing test, and again I'll pull that till destruction. And test number 4, it'll be post tensioned with all thread, and then I'll be doing a shear / bearing pull test until destruction. So the rig I have set up is on the back of a trolley. It's just a bit of all thread running down to a crane scale rigged to the bottom of the trolley. I did my best to keep a line of sight to the scale, but I don't need precision measurements. I'm just looking to gauge what can be justified. I should also say there is nothing special about these 3D prints. They are just 3 perimeter shells with 20% infill, so just standard 3D prints. And hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you've subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment and share. So this is test number 1, and it's with no post tensioning, and it lets go at 114.75 kilos. Here I am post tensioning my first print, and I just nipped the all thread up a bit beyond snug. This is test number 2, and it lets go at 151.55 kilos. So this is test number 3, and it lets go at 33.05 kilograms. So this is test number 4, and it lets go at 226.05 kilograms. Test number 1 came in at 114.75 kilograms, which was surprising. Kind of blew me away a bit. And test number 2 came in at 151.55 kilograms, which I was expecting more than that. I think if I made a plate to spread the load, it would be a drastically different story. Test number 3 was 33.05 kilograms. No surprise there, but compared to test number 4 of 226.05 kilograms, it's kind of mind-blowing. A bit hard to pick the exact point it failed at, but it's just the sort of performance change I'm looking for. And here is a quick preview of something I've been working on. All these pulley wheels are post-tensioned with spreader plates, and it works great. I can put a hell of a lot of load through these. And hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.